Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you. Today I have two cute and easy DIYs for you, so without further ado, let's art today. The first project I will be making is going to be a double-sided sign, using this Happy Fall sign that I purchased last year at the Dollar Tree. First, I am removing the hanger and the staples from the back, and I'm taking this 220 sandpaper and going over it lightly so that my paint has a rough surface to adhere to. If you happen to miss out on my other Christmas in July videos, I'll be sure to link it here up above in the right hand corner for you. Be sure to check it out after watching this video. Once I was done sanding the sign down, I flipped it over and removed the part that held Happy Fall from the sign. And now I will be giving it 2 coats of my gesso paint. Now that it's dry, I am showing you that you can use a ruler from Dollar Tree, but I had a scrap piece of wood that was a perfect size for this. This piece of wood will be the brim of the hat, and I will be giving it a decent amount of black acrylic paint. So have you guessed what I am going to be making yet? If you have, leave an emoji or the word of what I'm making in the comments section down below. So now I am trying to find a good placement, and I will be hot gluing it down diagonally. I am taking more of that black acrylic paint and coloring in the top half of the hat. So I am now drawing in a pair of eyes. If you feel more comfortable using a pencil first, by all means do so, but I was okay using my paint pen. And I fill the pupils with black paint. And if you don't feel comfortable freehanding, you can always download a picture and print it out on your computer and paste it on the front. I am taking my orange paint pen and drawing in a carrot nose. And I will be taking some orange acrylic paint and filling the nose in as well. Taking that same black paint pen, I am drawing on a smiley face. And now I'm taking my blue paint pen and drawing in some blue highlights for his eyes. Now I'm taking some pink acrylic paint and giving him some rosy cheeks. Now for the embellishments. I will be making him a scarf out of this ribbon that I got at the Dollar Tree. So I first cut off a small strip, and now I am hot gluing it down to the wood piece. And I will be taking a second strip and gluing it down on the top to look like the scarf is crossed over. I did give the ribbon some ducktails, and now I'm adding another ribbon on top of it just to add more decorations and a little bit of pizzazz, if you will. And if you can take this moment to please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to click that bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload new content. Thank you! And now we are going to be decorating his hat. I first start by adding some of this ribbon and hot gluing it down, and I found these, I believe they are bottle fillers, and they have pine cones and this little stem here that I'm just trying to figure out where to place them on top of his hat. Remember, you can decorate this sign however you like. I am just trying to give you some ideas and inspiration to make your own. And as you see here, I'm just hot gluing everything into place. I am taking some of those red glass fillers that I've used in my other projects and using them as berries for his hat. And here's how he turned out. I just love his adorable cartoon face. I am so happy how this turned out. Now at the beginning I did mention that I made it double-sided. So on the other side I did make another snowman. I just added different embellishments and characteristics to his face. Let me know if you think this is as adorable as I do in the comments down below. Okay, moving on to our second project, you will be needing 3 of these wooden crates that is found at the Crafter's Square at Dollar Tree. And now I'm just pushing out the bottom part of the little tray from 2 of the wooden pieces. And I will be stacking them so it can become one large crate or box. And I will be attaching them together with some Gorilla wood glue and some hot glue as well. While attaching the crates together, I noticed that they were a bit off on sizes, but I didn't mind. It added a little bit character to the crate that I was creating. Say that 5 times. So now I'm going over it with that 220 sandpaper that I used earlier, just to give it a little bit of a smoother surface, and then I will be going over it twice with my gesso paint. And if you're a crafter like me, please hit that thumbs up button to let me know to make more videos like this one. I will be using some black acrylic paint to give it that distressing look or distressed look, and I will also be adding some red paint as well, but looking back they kind of look like blood splatter, sorry. And I'm taking some of the scrapbook paper that I have and attaching it to the front of the box using some of that thick tape that crafters use to make cards. And here I'm just removing the backing. It's so satisfying, isn't it? And to add just a little bit more detail, I'm taking that black acrylic paint and distressing some of the scrapbook paper. So first I'm adding some of that foam wreath that I had on hand that broke, and I just saved the pieces. And then I realized that I didn't like how it was shown on the bottom, so I'm taking some of my burlap roll that I've used in my other projects, and I'm cutting it down to size and hot gluing it just on the lower two parts of the crate, and then I will then apply the foam wreath back inside. And I'm using this box for right now as a planter to add some of my floral that I purchased at Dollar Tree. And here's how this turned out. I love it. I think it's so adorable. You can customize it to however you like. You don't have to use it as a floral planter. You can use it for other things, which I might change it up a little later, but I just love it. If you like these types of videos, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button so I am notified to make more for you. Here are the two projects together. I just had a blast making these. You can customize them however you like to fit your decor. I hope this video inspired you to create something beautiful for your house that is fun and easy to do. And if you have kids, I'm sure they would love to help. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.